Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is creating hybrid acoustic and electric drum sounds with Superior Drummer 3. Today I'm going to blend acoustic and electric machine sounds together to get something new. So first up, I have a recording of a drum kit that sounds like this. And I'm actually getting my acoustic drum sounds from Superior Drummer itself. So in the mixer, I'm bussing out to individual tracks in my DAW, and I can use any of the onboard acoustic sounds and the built-in MIDI, and then take prints back into my DAW. So going back into my electronic drums, I can use the tracker. And what this allows me to do is replace sounds with audio. So it's an audio to MIDI converter. And what I've done is I've gone into my DAW's audio files folder where I've taken my prints, and then I've just pulled those into the tracker. So now my audio files are in, I can actually audition my new sounds against the original audio file. So if I just solo that. So that's my original kick. Let's balance that over. It's my original snare versus the replacement electronic snare. So very distinctive Linz snare drum there. And finally my hat, so the original versus the machine replacement. Roll in the machine hat. So a really mechanised sound there, but I'm liking the pattern, and there's actually a quirk of the velocity tracking there that I'm quite liking. Okay, so let's go to our acoustic drums and have a listen back to those. But as soon as I balance my hybrid layer in behind those, things should get a lot bigger and a lot fatter straight away. Very cool, but I think that this can do with just that extra bit of 80s magic. So if I jump into the mixer, Superior Drummer ships with its own algorithmic reverb, among others. That could work really well on the snare. Let's try it. Let's give that a go. Okay, so once more with just the acoustic drums. And with my hybrid layer. So that is creating hybrid acoustic and electric drum sounds with Superior Drummer 3. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.